Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok camera quality on Android. So if you are using the TikTok camera and you notice that the quality of your videos are not that good when you upload them, this can one of the two reasons. Either the actual camera on your phone is not that good and that's why the camera quality is not looking that great. But that's probably not the reason, but it is one of them. So keep that in mind. The next thing you can try and do if this is happening and you know you have a great camera and everything like that is just tap and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. And then you want to scroll down so you get the cache and cellular data option, and here's the data saver option. Now what data saver is, or first of all go into it and then make sure that data saver mode is not toggled on, so it's going to reduce your server data uses, and when you are trying to upload a TikTok video on data saver mode it might compress the video and make it smaller to be able to save more data onto your phone. So you want to make sure that you turn that off and then you upload your video using Wi-Fi or a strong mobile data connection. That's going to ensure that you get the highest possible quality on your TikTok videos. In this way you can fix TikTok camera quality on Android. So this was the process by which you can fix TikTok camera quality on Android. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good